We're gonna Mod Podge. We're just gonna do the bottom part because we're probably gonna wrap the top part where it's screwed together up here, so we don't need to do any of that. Cute those are gonna be. Now, I'm actually going to get a larger brush. I'm gonna get a larger brush so that I do less brush strokes on this one, okay? Because I don't want to pull off what is the glitter that's already on there. So we're just gonna do, looky there, large brush strokes. And you only really want to go around them about one time, like one stroke. If you can. We're gonna have to do a few, but you get the idea. And it's not coming off. Just do your first layer really light. There we go. You can go ahead and clip some and we'll put them in. We're gonna cut a bunch of these because I think these are gonna be really cute with them. Oh no, they're just really cute. I like them. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna wrap. Love them. Green kits are seriously the best. Once you're done with these, you can take them outside and spray them with a sealer, and it will definitely keep more of your glitter on, and it won't flake off as much. Let's just go ahead and look at that. I want these to be whimsical like this, okay? You can trim some of these up if you want. Like I could trim this one so it's not quite so long. It's pretty snug in here, and it's got some glue around the edges. These are cute. We will put these berries to the side and use those for all along the edge in here. And then we're just going to take a handful . Cute! Oh my goodness, you guys definitely have to try these. Whimsy of them. They're just kind of crazy. I love them. They're plastic. Yeah, they're plastic.